Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic thyroid gland from the lesson endocrine system. So in previous class I am already explained the different types of, there are 9 different types of glands in the human body. So each glands producing the different types of hormones. So these hormones acting in our bodies in different ways. So here I am going to explain the topic thyroid gland. So this gland also produces the very important hormone. That hormone name is called thyroxine. So it is thyroxine hormone that affect the human life in 2 ways. First one, the excess production of thyroxine hormone and the lack of thyroxine hormone. What happened in the human body? I will give you the details about these 2 type of effects in the human body. First of all, what is mean by thyroxine hormone? First one, it means thyroid gland produces an iodine containing hormone. That's the iodine containing hormone. That hormone is called thyroxine hormone. So the thyroxine hormone which affect the all tissues of the human body. Thyroxine hormone that affect the all tissues. So how to affect? So in the case of the human body, that thyroid gland, it means thyroxine is production very high, excess level. What happened? And the less production of thyroxine in the human body, what happened? The first one, the excess production of thyroxine hormone in the human body, that person makes a person overactive. That person makes it overactive. In some simple problems, they are also acting very overreacting to some particular situations. That's according to the help of this thyroxine hormone. So next one, lack of thyroxine hormone. What happens? That means a person become a sluggish. That person become a sluggish, tired, and decrease energy. So what is mean by sluggish? Sluggish means very simple. That means slow work, slow movement, slow all the activities very slow. Next one, tired. That person always feel the tired. And the next one, decrease the energy. If the person needs the energy, that needs the doing the work, so this person is having very less energy. So what happens? That person can't do any work properly. So in the case of human life, that production of the thyroxine gland affect the 3 ways. In the case of infants, what happened? So one of the disease formed in the present infancy time. And what happened the adulthood time, the lack of thyroxine in the adulthood time, what happened? And in the case of our food having no iodine content, what happened? These 3 also affecting the human life adversely, producing the disease. I will explain that one. The first one, during the early growing, the infancy time, that baby having disease, that disease is called cretinism. The cretinism means that inactive and the very retarding mental growth. That means arrested mental growth. That means that person having some of the mental disabilities. Next, in the case of during the adulthood time, what happened? That person affect the disease myxoedema. Myxoedema means it is a type of sluggish process, slow movement, slow activities, and actually inactive. It can't do any work properly. That disease is called myxoedema. That only formed in the adulthood time only. So in the case of in our diet, in our food, we can't get the sufficient amount of iodine that results to form a goiter. What is a goiter? The enlargement of the thyroid gland. Enlargement of thyroid gland, that is called goiter. Simply that means the enlargement of this neck region. So that disease is called goiter. So I hope all of you understood this topic. The thyroid gland. That thyroid gland producing different types of hormone. That hormone is called thyroxine. So the effect of thyroxine means there are two ways. One is a lack of thyroxine, what happened I am already explained, and the excess of thyroxine is already explained to you. So I hope all of you understood this topic. Thank you.